Namaste everyone, welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today I'm going to show you yoga for Diego Maradona. In the last match I saw him very stressful and he's going to be even more stressful in the upcoming matches. And therefore I thought creating a small video that can help stay calm and relax during this stressful time. So stay tuned, watch this video and stay calm. So as soon as you find yourself stressed, go ahead, close your eyes, take a few long deep breaths. Wherever you are, standing, sitting in the stadium, just take a few long deep breaths. And find your state. Then check your nostril, which nostril is working. So you want to breathe in and out with each nostril. So you would close your right nostril, breathe in and out through left. And then do the same on the right. Inhale and exhale. Check which one is working, flowing. One will be more flowing than another. Both of the nostrils do not flow in the same way. So you have to check that what your state is now, whether you're stressful or happy or whatever that is, right? So if it's negative state and you find that your left is activated, that means you need to activate your right nostril. Because as soon as your right nostril is activated, then it will change from stress to calm, right? And if you find yourself happy, excited and cheerful, check your nostril. It probably be if your right nostril is working. And that's when you want to continue your right nostril to be working. So you want to close your left nostril, breathe in and out through the right to keep the right nostril activated. So let's do the 10 breathing, closing your left nostril, inhaling into the right, exhaling right, inhaling, exhaling. Can be deeper, longer, inhale. And then exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And this simple technique can keep your nostril activated, therefore your state activated. If it's negative, then activating this nostril can bring your state out of the stressful state and into the cheerful, excited and happy state. So try it and keep doing this so that you can watch your next matches with calm and ease. Thank you very much for joining me, and I hope that you enjoyed this video and you will be able to relax more next time. Namaste.